Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to sell on Moonpay. So here's a simple workaround if you want to sell your Bitcoin on Moonpay. So open your Moonpay app or go to the Moonpay website and log in into your account using your account credentials, which is your email and password. Then on the main dashboard, tap sell, choose your BTC, which is Bitcoin as the currency, cryptocurrency. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to sell. Select your payout method, which is you can pick the linked bank account or you can also use your card. Then copy the Bitcoin deposit address Moonpay provide. Then go to your wallet or exchange where your BTC is stored and send the Bitcoin to that address. Wait for blockchain confirmation. This may take few minutes. So once confirmed, Moonpay will convert your BTC into cash, which is your fiat currency. That money will now be sent to your chosen bank account or card. And here's a quick product note: always double check the Bitcoin address before sending to avoid loss of fund. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more guide.